Hi all, let's say if you want to show superscript or subscript using Tailwind CSS, we have two class utilities. One is align super to show superscript, and the other one is align sub to show subscript. Align super aligns the element above the baseline. Like let's say for example, if you take E equal to MC square, here 2 is a superscript. Okay, so if you want to show this information, we can use align super. Okay, in the similar way, align sub aligns the element below the baseline. For example, water formula, that is H2O. Here 2 is a subscript, so to display this subscript we can use align sub utility class in Tailwind CSS. Align super is equivalent to vertical align super in styles. In a similar way, align sub is equivalent to vertical align sub in styles. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like for more tips and tricks.